final one more key point. In a right angled triangle ACB, in a right angled triangle ACB, if the three sides are of the form m square plus n square, m square minus n square and 2mn, where m is greater than n. If the three sides are of the form m square minus n square, 2mn and m square plus n square, then it will form a right angled triangle. Then it will form a right angled triangle. Then it will form a right angled triangle. If the three sides are of the form m square minus n square, 2mn and m square plus n square, then these three sides form a right angled triangle. Then these three sides form a right angled triangle. You take any value. M is greater than n. M is 2, n is 1. Check the value. 2 square minus 1 square. 2 into 2. 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square minus 1 square. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. M is 5. N is 3. Check some other value. 5 square minus 3 square. 2 into m into n. M square plus n square. 25 minus 9, 16. It is 30. 25 plus 9, 34. 16, 30, 34. If the three sides are of the form m square minus n square and 2mn, comma m square plus n square, then these three sides definitely forms a right angled triangle. Definitely forms a right angled triangle. So, the generic form of the three sides of a right angle are m square minus n square, 2mn, comma m square plus n square, comma m square plus n square. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. M and n are integers. M and n are positive integers. M and n are integers. M and n are integers. That means very, very important point. Please make a note, sir. Please make a note. This is of the form m square plus n square. This is of the form m square minus n square. This is of the form 2mn. M square minus n square is greater than 0. That means m is greater than n. That is m is greater than 1. This is the generic form for the three sides to form a right angled triangle. These are the sides of a right angled triangle. These are the sides of a right angled triangle. These are the sides of a right angled triangle. What are the concepts that we discussed? Let us see. Generic form for the three sides to form a triangle. What if the side is given as side value is given, other two sides. Hypotenuse value is given, other two sides. Hypotenuse value is given, other two sides. What are the cases which are missing? Right, lot of examples starting from foundation which we will discuss. Side is an odd number, over. Side is an even number, over. Hypotenuse, both the cases it is over.